Alrighty, back again. Thanks for coming and joining us here on the site as we show you more about this house here at West End. And we've got the posts in. It's only taken us 7 days. 6 days of stuffing around trying to make them, and then 1 day of fitting. But they're in, all 8 of them. All plumbed up, all looking good. Nice straight line across the front, look at that. That, ringing around, beautiful. Okay, so this is all ready. And on Monday, this is Friday, so Monday, the concrete is in here and starts getting all this prepared for concrete. We'll be in here with him just to help him with the heights, make sure he knows where our heights are. And it's all done, all ready to go. Look at that. Now the concrete comes about halfway up those 50 by 50 columns at the bottom there. It comes about halfway up, but yeah, it's going to be about 75 mil of steel visible on all those, just for the white ant inspection, so you know there's no white ants coming in. Otherwise all the rest all covered in concrete. We'll see all that at the end of next week, all done. Then I can get steel beams in here. Won't that be fun? Thought it was fun so far. But she's a big house, an old house, and it's going to take some looking after to make this thing back into a presentable and livable area to work and live in. But she's going to look good. The builder tower's got the same timber post to do upstairs yet. So at the front here, it used to have a gable up there, it will again. There's going to be another gable put up there to finish the house at the front. Of course these 2 posts go, there's no stairs at the front. There'll just be a veranda upstairs, a veranda downstairs, and she's going to look cool. Alrighty, okay guys, that's me rambling on again. We'll leave it at that. They're in, finally. I can say goodbye to those timber posts. So that's done. Next step, slab, and then I come in and do the steel beams. That'd be great. Finally get them done, and my part of the job finished. Alrighty, leave it at that. Love yous and leave yous. Thanks for joining us. Come see us again real soon as we do more videos. Okay? Catch you again real soon. Oh, don't forget, you got the little subscribe button and the like button if you would. Very much appreciate as we build this channel and get more things happening on it. Much more variety to come. But yeah, that's the house at West End, timber post in. Next step for me is the steel beams, and that'll be about 2 weeks away. Okay, catch you soon. Bye.